That's right. This mom says her 6-year-old has special needs. And when school switched to a remote-only model in March, she says for her son, the biggest loss was not having time with his paraeducator.
Loss of that relationship. He had been spending, 40 hours a week with this person who he knows and loves and is helping him access a free and appropriate public education. For that to just be gone was devastating.
Adrienne Stuart says her son Jack is an emerging communicator who does need some level of in-person instruction to help him learn. Adrienne and her husband both work full-time.
This plan that is being promoted right now across the state relies on parents quitting their jobs.
That's how she sees it, and her family is one of 3 suing the State Board of Education and the Office of Superintendent of Public Instruction, saying the emergency rules adopted in response to coronavirus strip away the basic education constitutionally required for every student.
These agencies either waived entirely or weakened the requirements for the hours of the school day and the number of school days.
An OSPI spokesperson said they received the lawsuit 2 days ago and are taking time to go through it before providing comment. The executive director of the State Board of Education said the board's legal counsel is in the process of reviewing the petition and that the state board believes it has acted in a legal and appropriate manner in this difficult time of the COVID-19 pandemic.
What would you say about the public health concern?
Well, and the parents bringing this case share those concerns about safety, absolutely. We know, however, that there are protections that can be used to ensure the safety of staff and children.
And that attorney says those protections were visible last spring in the context of childcare. However, in places like King County, health officials say the current level of COVID-19 is still a serious concern, and those health officials say they support starting the school year with online learning. Live in Seattle, Natalie Swaby, King 5 News.